Jeremy, you have the distinction of being the last man standing for Jamaica in qualifying. I mean, coming out of the first round. Your thoughts on that? Very tough match. We saw you having a very emotional celebration at the end. Your thoughts on how much this means to you?
Yeah, just been trying to just get that one win. I think today was just that one day that it kind of came together eventually. It took a while, but I mean, it came together eventually, and that's all that matters, just to get over the line. Was a little bit shaky in the first set, but I kind of pulled it back well enough in the second, and then um, haven't really had the best record with super tie breaks of late, but this one I managed to get over the
And it's all now about recovery, right, for the second match, which is
line.
tomorrow.
Yeah, without a doubt. I think I was out there for at least 2.5 hours, so definitely gonna stretch out and just do the recovery and be ready for tomorrow.